rounder in LightWave is a drag, so I try to avoid it. So I use chamfer instead. So use chamfer twice. So I'll create a result like that. Can now knife this. Go like that. Actually, I can just show you first. So I want to round this, right? But how do you do that? Best, I guess, to select both of them. Use chamfer. Use chamfer again. Best to be somewhat accurate here. This time we're actually going to use chamfer 3 times. So it's not too bad. Yeah, I can't loop that, so I'll go like that instead. Like this. So I often do that. I often select the polygons and then I convert it to edges. Anyway, instead of using rounder, I just chamfer this. Here you can see it's getting funky. That's because I didn't deselect these guys. So deselect those. And chamfer one more time. Now you could chamfer 3 times, but then you'll have to deselect these guys, these, and you get the point. There's a lot of deselecting. So chamfering it twice is not that bad, but if you want to do it 3 times, then it gets to be a touch boring. Okay, chamfer it 3rd and last time. There it is. Actually, I forgot to deselect these guys once again. So, one more time. Chamfer. So, I mean, it works. Is it sexy? No. Also, you can see the polyflow here is kind of like so-so. You could use rounder instead. I'm just going to use a crude cut, because if you don't do that, then rounder will not work. So take all of these guys, deselect those, rounder, and that was not cute. Yeah, you can see it's not really a fan of this. What I could do to make it better, so to speak, is to use multi-shift. Then I could drag it in like this, 100 millimeters. Let's try again. But yeah, you'll see that, well, is a touch better than chamfer. So yeah, I think this is what I would do, these kind of techniques. It is what it is though. You could buy LightWave CAD and the rounding in LightWave CAD is better, much better. So, but it will cost you like $300 or something like that. So such it is.